Alright, so now we need to connect both our servos to our Uno R3 board. And first, what we're going to do is remove the connections we previously made to this smaller servo, and then just make the same connections back to our large servo. So our large servo is now connected, and the white cable goes to pin number 11. And now we need to do the wiring for our second servo. So for our second servo, we'll connect our ground, which is the black cable, to our to this brown cable, female input, and then this ground goes to the second ground connection here on our board here. And since this is already grounded to our DC power supply here, we don't need to make another connection for this second servo. Now we connect the red power 5 volt to our servo here, and then the other end will go to our DC breakout screw terminal. All right, so now that's connected. Now our signal, our white cable, goes to this orange cable input here. And then the second pin that we use is this number 9 pin for our smaller servo. So it goes into the number 9 pin for our Uno R3. Alright, so now this is wired up. We'll just attach this board now to the back of our body for the XY robot. So let's just use these self-tapping screws. Now this board is securely attached on the back side, front, depending on how you view it. And now we will connect our XY robot to our computer via USB, and then the DC power gets connected here. All right, now we can test both our robots in action together. So let's wait 5 seconds, then we will move the large servo, then wait 1 second and move our smaller servo. Then we will wait 5 seconds and go home. So let's execute that and see what happens. So it moved and then the tip went down and then we're back. All right, so that's working exactly as expected.